No little pad that packs. Yeah. Slime my butt was back. Fuck that whole straight 7. Fuck. Ain't like any happy. Took that bitch my condo. Hold up though my bitch. All my dumb be dancing. Bad bitch caught on Insta. Miss my iPhone kiss. Miss my nigga they hit him. Already got it, we get him. Round my niggas don't die in the pussy. I put a hustle and I had to get it. I had to level up. I put my first credit. I said my best.
Hey, what's up, what's good people? Right, here's Mr. TCee. So in today's episode, I have about $500 account which I wanna flip, and I wanna do all this in 30 minutes. So in 30 minutes is either I'm gonna be in deep profits or the account will be gone. Okay, and right now the chart is gain X800 and I'm looking for a buy setup. So right here is the analysis. Right, here's the analysis. So I'm going to do analysis both on the phone and then on my laptop. So as you can see, there's first touch, which is right here. This is the first touch, and then right here is the second, and then fourth, and then this is the fifth touch. Okay, so this thing is anticipating to go all the way up. Okay, and right now it seems like all the confirmation. This is like all the confirmation has been confirmed, right? So no need to wait at this point. So let me set my stopwatch. The setup is ready. And there, as you can see, there's the console. Let us see how much we are gonna make. In exactly 30 minutes. So without wasting much time, let's get started, right? As you can see, deposit today 500. About 1 minute now, 1 minute 16 seconds. So the reason why I bought is because of this lower trend line which connected this support, and then there's also this inner trend line with the first touch right here. Alright, there's the first trend line, and then did the first touch, second touch, and then right here the third, and then on the third let us switch to 5 minutes. Let's see if there's a reverse option. So on 5 minutes time frame, no. On 5 minutes time frame, there is a on 3 minutes time frame, there's a reverse option. Which is double bottom. So right here, I'm anticipating something like this, and then a bounce, right? That's what I'm anticipating, and we're already in deep loss. So right, there's a spike. There is a spike, as you can see. There's a spike. This, like right now, it's about 3 minutes, and already it spiked. One spike. Okay. There's a spike. Yeah. When 800, it goes to double this account. And right now I am on 848, which means I need more, something like $254. So yeah, check out the entry. The entry was something else. So let us wait and see. The market did exactly what I was anticipating. You can see this is where I draw. This is where I did the analysis, and exactly on the area where, like exactly on this area. Check the entry. That was a sharp sniper entry. I'm thinking of adding more position. I'm thinking of adding more position. Another one. Alright, so I have to. I'm gonna add. I'm gonna add more position. I'm gonna add more position. So let's wait and see. A decision. I think I have to close this position because I'm now like in risk management. I'm not like in proper risk management. Margin is now on negative. Negative $83. That's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. I just need one spike. One spike and I'll open. One spike and I'll reach my target. Just one spike. I just need one spike for me to reach my target. So in a scenario that the market keeps on going against me, I think I will close on negative. I'll close on negative 200. I mean on 200 floating profit. Right now it's 274. Like if it reaches $200 floating profit, like the equity, if the equity reaches 700, I'll close. It's better to move out with less profit than to move out with nothing. So yeah, let's wait and see. The position is moving so fast. You see? That's the analysis. There's a long, very big buy, long buy on. There's a long buy on Gain X 800. There's a long buy. You need to remain calm even if the market is going against you, like what's happening right now. If it was someone, I could have closed with 300 floating profit, but then I think I don't have to look on this page. Okay, I'm just gonna keep on checking this one. I'm gonna just keep on checking on the candlesticks, because if I look on on the other page which shows the profits, I might get tempted to close. Remember I said on 200, but then there's high possibility that it might spike in time soon. So I think I'm gonna close on break even. I will close on break even. Remember I said 30 minutes. Right now it's almost 15 minutes already gone. Right now 15 minutes already gone. So yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Right.
Take it easy, dog.
Look, check. Right now I am in floating profit of 1073. Let me check the time. 16 minutes so far. 16 minutes. 16 minutes. 16 minutes. 16 minutes. And I'm already in floating profit of 1000 plus. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna add more position, and this time I have a free margin of about 674. So I'll add more position, uh, maybe three. Let me increase lot size to 3, and then I'll add more 3%. 1, 2, 3. I'm left with a free margin of 296. It's enough to accommodate every retracement which gonna happen. It's enough to accommodate every retracement which is gonna happen. So yeah, let's wait and see. This is how I kill the markets trading using the best broker. Well trade. Another one. Ah, another one, right? Another one. I'm killing life. Another one. Another one. 1,619, 1,620, $25. Okay, it keeps on spiking. And guess what I'm gonna do right now? Guess what I'm gonna do? Since the market is keeps on spiking all the way up, I don't wanna limit my profits. Like I don't wanna limit the money which I'm supposed to get, right? So the best thing I can do is to add more position, because right now I have a margin of 893 free margin. So let me add 1, 2, 3. I added more 3%. Right now the free margin is 487, which is cool to accommodate even if it makes a retracement. So yeah, let me see how many minutes left. About 10 minutes left, because right now is 19 minutes 25 seconds. So let's wait and see. 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 So I saw some might ask, what is the reason? What was the reason behind me taking this trade? Okay, here was the reason. You can see this first touch, which is right here. Here's the first touch. No, right here is the first touch. You can see there's a first touch, which is right here, and then there's a second touch, which is right here. Third, and then on the fourth touch, like on the fourth touch, that's where I took my buys, right? On the fourth touch, that's where I took my buy. Yeah. I just need one more. I just need one more spike. I just need one more spike. I just need one more spike. I'm trying to stay calm. 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 About 6 minutes left to close the trade. About 6 minutes left. About 6 minutes left. It seems like my hand is shaking. Three minutes left. About 3 minutes left. Right. About 2 minutes left. 2 minutes, like 1 minute and a few seconds left. Right now, I have left with about 832 free margin. Do you think it's wise for me to add more percent or I'll just leave it like that since a few minutes left before the challenge ends? I just need one more spike and then the challenge ends. A minute left. In fact, seconds left to close the challenge. Seconds left to close the challenge. Check out the entry. Check out the entry. challenge ends 30 minutes. So I started with 500, and right now the floating profit is on 1,835, right? 1,835. So this is how much I managed to make in 30 minutes trading, gold trade, right? This is how much I managed to make. So before I end this video, let me do a quick analysis, like what was the reason behind the entry, why I took this sale. Right, so I'm gonna start on 4-hour time frame. So on 4-hour time frame, let me do this. On 4-hour time frame, I this trend line. Alright, let me switch to 1 to 2 hours. I think 2 hours is cool. 2 hours is cool. So on 2 hours, here's the first touch, right? Here's the first touch. Here's the second, and then here's the third, and on the fourth, that's where I took my buy, right? That's why I took my buy. So this is not only the confirmation which I use to enter this trade, right? Remember, I'm doing what is called top-down analysis. So I started on a 2-hour time frame. Let me switch to 30 minutes so that you can clearly see. This is 30 minutes time frame. Besides this lower trend line, I also had this inner trend line which connected the resistance and the support. Remember, when you are drawing a trend line, what I'm simply doing is connecting the zone of strength and weaknesses. It seems like the market been following this zone. It's only that the zone is sloping, it's not horizontal line. It's not on the horizontal, it's sloping. So here's the first touch, and then here's the second, and then right here was the third. Okay, that's another confirmation. And I'm not yet done with the analysis. Let me switch to 15. I'm not yet done with the analysis. Let me switch to 15, the 15 minutes time frame. So on 15 minutes time frame, you can clearly see that there was a risk opportunity. This is what we call double bottom, right? There was double bottom on 15 minutes time frame. Alright, let me do this. There was double bottom. So here's the first touch of the double bottom. Here's the first leg. Alright, to make this clear, let me change the color. Alright, here's the first touch. Here's the first touch, right? And then right here was the second touch, and right here on the second touch, that's where I took my buy. And you can see this was a sniper entry. As soon as I took my buy, then the market boom started going all the way up. And right now as we are talking, we can clearly see the entry. There was no any drawdown. As soon as I ended my buy, it started spiking, going all the way up, right? And this is basically how I managed to flip $500 castle. Tell me what you're thinking. In the comment section.